Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on spec-driven development presented by your mentor Vivek. Today we shall be concluding with the second section wherein uh, we would be finishing with our refresher sections, and next we will move on to our regular sessions on spec-driven development. We did these refresher sessions so that it would be easier for you to follow the workshop hub website, which we will be creating using spec-driven development. Anyway, so let's not waste further time and let's get our feet wet. Let's go. Okay. One booking page can show 30 students, and you are not making 30 variables. Today, arrays and loops, the last PHP basics, and then the rule that keeps AI agents out of trouble. Backend boundaries. What the agent may change and what it may not. Arrays and indices. Okay, let's do this. An array is a collection, one variable holding lots of values inside. Dollar instructors. Square brackets, comma separated. Maya, comma Ravi, comma Elena. Workshop hubs, teaching team in one box. Well, it's a made up name, but yeah, here you go. Indices start at 0. Always. So let me explain. So dollar instructors of 1 prints Ravi, not Maya. 0, 1, 2, burn that in. Okay, so that's how it works. Now let's do the for each loop. Okay, it's helpful for looping the list. Okay, printing 50 names one by one, echo by echo, not ideal, not productive. Loop it. For each, loop through the instructors, and on each pass, one element lands in $name, echo and li, and the list builds itself. Add the fourth instructor to the array. Save. The list grows on its own. The loop doesn't care how long the array is. And a style note, keep the HTML outside. The PHP where you can, echoing tags everywhere is basics only style. Now the backend boundaries where the SDD payoff. Let's do that. Okay, let's cover this. Now the SDD payoff. When your AI agent edits Workshop Hub's backend, scope control is everything. So let's do scopes. In scope, exactly what the spec named. The booking logic, the validation, the loop that renders the class list, that code may change. Out of scope. Everything the spec didn't name. Payment config, auth, migrations. If the task is fix the booking loop, the agent may not improve payment code on the way. That rule goes in your spec in writing. Let's do a refresher wrap, a quick refresher wrap, should we? And that's the whole refresher. HTML structure, CSS, and BEM, BEM. JavaScript behavior, PHP logic. So there you have it. You won't hand write most of this because we don't code these days. Everything is done by the agents. That's the new norm. So the agent will do that for you. But now you can read what it writes and catch it when it wanders. So this was the intention behind me taking these refreshers. So basics done. From the next section, the real SDD work begins. Choosing the right AI model for each task. Strong models for architecture, cheap ones for copy tweaks. See you there. And I hope you liked the refresher. And if you liked it or you did not like it, and even in either ways, please comment and let me know. I'm working really hard because doing this with Office is very difficult. So if you appreciate my hard work, please subscribe, like, and do spread the word. Now the basics done. From the next section, the real SDD would begin. Okay? So up next, choosing the right AI model for each task. So see you in the next lesson, which will now be very important. So even if you have skipped these refreshers, it's all right. From next lesson, please don't skip even a single lecture. All right? So see you guys in the next unit. Peace out.